Hello and welcome back to day 47 of the Lockdown Singsong. It's Tuesday the 5th of May and that means it's Billy Phelan's birthday. Happy birthday, Billy. That comes in especially from your wife Kitty. Kitty is one of my songbirds up in Roscommon, and like the rest of us she's a caged songbird at the moment, but she made sure that I play this song for you today. She requested the song As You're a Waterford Man, and this is the Old Dungarvan Oak, but it didn't actually start being called the Old Dungarvan Oak. It was the old Carmarthen Oak, but it didn't trip off the tongue the same as Dungarvan. So Frank Hennesy changed the words, and then it became a great hit all over Ireland, particularly for the bards. So I never really sang it that much, but for Kitty Phelan I would do anything, and then therefore for Billy I'd do anything. So happy birthday, Billy. Have a great day, and yeah, so we'll give this a shot. As I roved out one morning going to Dungarvan Fair, I spied a pretty maiden with the sunlight in her hair. Her way was so delightful, her voice sang like a bell, and as I overtook her, I asked if she was well. Lay down your woolen shawl, my love, I swear it is no joke, and I tell to you the story of the Old Dungarvan Oak. As we approached Dungarvan, this girl at me did stare, and she asked me why I raised my hat to a tree so old and bare. I told her of the legend that if the tree should e'er come down, there'd be a great disaster and Dungarvan would be drowned. Lay down your woolen shawl, my love, I swear it is no joke, and I tell to you the story of the Old Dungarvan Oak. So then she started laughing, and my face grew very red. She said that only fools believed what those old legends said. Her laughter was contagious, the truth to you I'll tell. And before we reached the marketplace, I began to laugh as well. Lay down your woolen shawl, my love, I swear it is no joke, and I'll tell to you a story of the Old Dungarvan Oak. And as I sit by the fireside, it's the autumn of my life. The darling girl I met that day is now my darling wife. I have a lovely daughter and a son to push my yoke, and all because I raised my hat to the Old Dungarvan Oak. Lay down your woolen shawl, my love, I swear it is no joke, I'll tell to you the story of the Old Dungarvan Oak. Lay down your woolen shawl, my love, I swear it is no joke, and I'll tell to you the story of the Old Dungarvan Oak. Lay down your woolen shawl, my love, I swear it is no joke, and I'll tell to you the story of the Old Dungarvan Oak. The Old Dungarvan Oak for Billy Phelan from your wife Kitty. She obviously loves you dearly still. You haven't done anything wrong, and she likes being locked down with you and cocooning away with you there in Roscommon. So tomorrow is day 48. I'll see you at 5 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time. See ya. Bye.